Hi everyone, my name's Michelle, this is Jill,
Hi.
and we're here from the Discovery Museum to bring you a fun DIY project. Today we're going to make a hovercraft using a CD. Like this one. But what is a hovercraft, Jill?
So a hovercraft is a device that uses a cushion of air to reduce friction, all right, which allows it to glide across the surface.
Friction, in case you're wondering, is the resistance one surface or object feels when moving across another. So to make this little hovercraft, what you need is a CD, a balloon, a pop-top lid from either a water bottle or maybe a dish soap bottle, and hot glue. Because of the hot glue, kind of need your parents' help.
Yep. So whenever you're using hot glue, make sure you ask your parents' permission first.
All right, so let's show you how to make it. First, take the CD and the pop top, and what you want to do is kind of line them up. You want the hole from the lid to match up with the hole on the CD, otherwise the air actually won't escape in between the CD and the surface. So we are going to hot glue this now. You might need 2 people to hot glue.
Always use caution when using hot glue because you can get burned.
Now you want to make sure you hot glue all around it. You want to create an airtight seal because you want all the air that will escape to go down through. You don't want to escape out the sides, otherwise your hovercraft's not really going to work out that well. The next thing you want to do, I prefer to, with the pop top, leave it open for this part. And then you want to stretch the mouth of the balloon over it like this. And then personally, I like hot gluing the balloon onto the pop top lid. That way it also is airtight.
If you have 2 people, it may help to rotate your hovercraft as you glue.
Okay. All right. Once your glue dries, you will want to blow up your balloon. To do so, just turn the CD over and blow into it as if you were blowing up a normal balloon.
Just make sure while you're blowing up the balloon that you let the glue dry completely because hot glue will still be hot and no one wants to get a burn.
Once you're done blowing it up to where you want it to, pinch the balloon closed, turn it over, and then release. You may need to nudge the balloon a bit to get it to actually move. Okay. So, that is your little hovercraft. It actually works similarly to a air hockey table, except in the case of the air hockey table, the air is pushed up from underneath the puck, whereas the CD hovercraft, the air is forced downwards. But feel free to experiment this at home. Maybe try a different size balloon, different bottle cap, or even a different material instead of a CD.
Science is all about experimentation, so feel free to try different variations on this, but always make sure if you're using hot glue to use this proper safety precautions.
All right, see you guys next time. All right.